Welcome to a new era in insurance claims processing. Insurance work no longer means battling mountains of paperwork, endless calls, and monotonous tasks. Instead, imagine a landscape where artificial intelligence takes care of the repetitive work, allowing you to make smarter, more strategic decisions. With the AI for Insurance Claims Processors courses from Complete AI Training, you're equipped with practical, easy-to-follow video tutorials, hands-on experience with cutting-edge tools, and a vast library of AI prompts, all designed to help you integrate these modern approaches into your day-to-day tasks. This training isn't about abstract theory, it's about actionable insights that transform tedious processes into efficient operations. You will quickly see how automating functions like data entry, claim verification, and fraud detection frees up valuable time. This is your opportunity to delve into real examples, master advanced techniques, and become a key player in your organization. And with the process-focused eBooks, clear guides, and even audiobooks, every format is designed to support you whether you're commuting or taking a break. Adding to this, most of our courses include certifications that boost your resume, validate your expertise, increase earning potential, enhance job security, and open new career opportunities. With the skills you develop, you're not just keeping up. You're gearing up for promotions and roles that value forward thinking and innovation. Discover the future of claims processing and secure a competitive advantage. You can find all AI for Insurance Claims Processors training courses on CompleteAItraining.com.